Hey everyone, welcome to new releases for today. So today we actually have the picnic lunch kit. So it's a very fun and bright kit, especially for those who want to have a picnic outside. So here is a closer look at these boxes. The middle one is a 3-part box. You can separate them if you want to, or just lay them in your planner like across. And then here are the other boxes. So this is the full box sheet. And then we have the functional icon sheet with a whole bunch of icons, script stickers, mini checklists, the checklist boxes, and then all of the functional boxes. And then here are your functional like deco stickers with extra sidebars and washi headers. You can easily use these to layer or cut them down if you need to. But yeah, these are the extra deco sheets. And then your washi sheet with the date headers here. And I added the strawberries there because I just really love the brightness that this kit came with. Here is a closer look at that washi. So yeah, that is the picnic lunch kit. That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone.